guys! Wait guys, I need to breathe. Whew. It's a Sunday today and it's like around 4:30. So hi everyone again, welcome back to my channel. So to those of you who do not know me yet, so I am Boholana on the go. So obviously I am a Boholanan vlogger. So I usually do traveling, go adventure like biking, hiking, all those stuff. So anyway, so guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell at the same time so that you will be updated on my future vlogs. I am here in Cambaol. So if you knew Cambaol, we have a very nice tourist spot here in Alicia, in Barangay Cambaol, which is the Alicia Panoramic Park. So I'm always out and about to my hobbies. So I am here at the foot of Balisa Hills. So guys, Balisa Hills is part of the Alicia Panoramic Park, but this one is nearer from the highway and near from the Cambaol Center. So I am here with my bike, of course. Yes guys, so I usually do mountain bikes, usually solo, kaya wala man ko'y group, mountain bike group, so I don't have those. So if you're a mountain bike enthusiast near in Alicia, yeah guys, so I'm here with my bike. So I left home like at around 4 o'clock. So I'm not sure what time is it now, so let me guess, it's like 4:30. So I biked from home, from here, like 30 minutes. So it's very bumpy guys. The road going here is not easy. I thought I would crash somehow on the road coming here because there's a lot of rock gravels. It's already loosened. I guess that's from the previous rain last past few weeks. So naglisod jud ko og maneuver sa manubela guys. So I really try hard. I really try my best strength on my arms. So medyo sore akong arms guys. Hawi kaayo kay nangusog ko sa manubela, so that I would be safe. The last time I've been here, murag taod-taod na to siya guys. So that's why I decided nga muanhi ko to witness the sunset because it's very perfect spot din sa Balisa ang sunset. And ang hills, it's very what do you call this? The rolling hills is very scenic to see. So nindot kayo ang, especially karon guys, kay green kaayo ang cogon grass. So nindot jud siya tan-awon diri. Pitaron guys, so I will go over there and just follow this trail going up. So if you have seen my previous vlogs, I did two. The first one is with my aunt Helen. Hi auntie. And the second one is with Anne. Hi Anne. Hopefully makabalik ka anyway. So I did twice vlogs here in Balisa and now is the third time. So I'm just happy to be back, and this is my easy to go spot if I need some fresh air and a new environment for me. Hindi lang ko perwi sa balay. So naay motor dito guys. I heard some have you saw it that guys? So murag na ay magmotor dito ng area because this area guys, pwede ra gid siya mamotor and I think bike as well, as long as di ka maton musaka. So yeah, so I'll try to follow this route from here, then going up there. So that's my goal. There, over there, there, I think there. So mao na siya akong goal. Plan is dito ko mag sunset guys. Hopefully kaya na ko alisahon akong bike. So I'll try my best guys, and I haven't got any clips on the sa akong pagpadung diri guys, since I just use my cell phone. I don't have any GoPro, so I just use my phone on my vlogs. Yeah, so Anyway guys, let's start the journey. Kay hapit na mo mag-sundown. So basig dito kabot sa sunset, magbaktas pa dito guys. So yeah, join me guys. Guys, I haven't at the halfway yet. Wapa ko katunga. This is more exhausting as I thought. So this is my bike guys. This is the view. Yeah, so tiwas tagsaka guys because I want to really have a nice spot for the sunset. So the higher the better. So let's go. Water first. Boom! Don't forget to hydrate your thirst yourself, your body. Guys, I decided not to go further. It's really not possible at the moment. I think it's 5 o'clock now and it's started getting dark. So, lisod na ako ng isa. This is a solo bike ride guys. So over there guys, na motorbike trail. Something. If you're that courageous guys, you can actually ride with them if you like. But I'm not sure if I can. It's just scary. Amazing would that be? Kung ingana ka adventurous, you can experience those kind of adrenaline rush. So anyway guys, so that building is the Alicia Panoramic. No, the farm. Yes. At the farm guys, the farm they cater like pwede ka mo stay diha guys og musuri mo din sa Balisa Hills or sa Alicia Panoramic Park. So they can accommodate you there. So for further details, ako lang na siya ibutang sa akong description box below. So over there sad guys, you can actually see the batong puti cliff. Kana siya diha nga spot. Yeah, see mo mo na siya ang batong puti cliff. That's actually a nice spot to view the whole Alicia town. So lahi sa na siya diha nga view kay cliff man siya guys, like mura siya og bangin. If direct rolling siya diha sad murag pangpang, yeah, pangpang. So how many of you guys would really enjoy a quiet time with nature like this? It's my stress reliever, especially tomorrow. It's Monday, so it's work day. So another week of work. So we need to recharge. We need to boost our energy. Hopefully nag-enjoy mo sa akong short vlog, sa akong Balisa adventure. Yep. So I hope nag-enjoy rin mo sa inyong weekend and then work week na sad. Yep. We have to love our job so that di tayo ma-stress. So, yeah. Happy Sunday! This is getting dark, guys. I'm bringing my flashlight. Ngit-ngit guys, nataod akong backlight. And flashlight. Tapos I on. Make sure it's... Yep. I'm ready to go home. Thank you, Balisa.